Hi, this is Jeannie, and it is Sunday, April 19th. It's the start of the playoffs. Here we are finally, what we've been waiting for all year. It's a beautiful day. Let's hear what Phil has to say.
Oh, honey, you sound like you're in a rush.
No, well, I'm just excited, I guess. It's early morning. It's like, the timing is just different.
Yeah, it is.
How do you think your team will react to such early game?
Well, it's always hard, to. What do? Have a breakfast at 9 o'clock and then you start playing a game, and by, noon you're hungry as a bear, Do you have steak at 10, and, have a big meal to start out your day and so you can sustain, whatever?
I would do whatever Kobe does, because Kobe always has good games.
Really?
In early morning games, yes.
That's all?
Yes.
I can count on it, okay.
Yes. So anything we should be watching for in the game today?
Well,